There are three x-intercepts, which we can see are the points A, C, and E. Now remember that a function is said to be increasing if its slope is positive, because that means that the y values, or the values of the function, the output, are continuing to increase in value. And the graph goes from having a positive slope to having a negative slope at the point B. That's the point of transition from the function increasing to the function decreasing. And the function continues to decrease until point D, at which point it switches from decreasing to increasing. Awesome job!